ubaba bekayinina kakhulu abantu bamqala. This was Mnguni, and he was very humble, very humble. Ubaba is very well, extremely well. And if there's one thing my father never compromised on, is being a father. He was a father to me, to my sisters, to my friends, to our neighbors, to everybody. At the memorial, they said he was also a father to them. He was a present father, a strict father. He did not negotiate with my father. It's one, you say truth, it's one. His word is the final word. We had a great childhood, even in adulthood. Even as adults, Baba was very adamant that he will be there and he will support us. Regardless of the fact that we are working or we are not working. If there is one thing my dad always said, is that he's all wrong. The stress why you are ready, he's all wrong. When I finished my matric, I wanted to apply for a bursary, and he said, for him, he's almost his school in his cabinet. I'm not married. He did not want me to get married. For him, he columns. We made an agreement with my father that when I get a permanent job, he will retire. I got a permanent job and he retired. I did not think that his retirement would be delayed. Ubaba was the type, if you like strawberries, and he finds out today that you like strawberries, when he comes back on Friday, he's going to come back with a plastic full of strawberries because you like strawberries. He was that kind of a father. He cared about the things we cared about, and he was very supportive. He was caring. He loved us, and never did we ever doubt that. My mom likes to joke around and say, I wonder if your husband, the father of your children, will be able to meet the standard that your father set. That's how much of a great dad he was. I want to emphasize that we have never lacked anything in Kai. Nothing at all. At school, we never lacked anything. When we started to work, we never lacked anything. He was there every step of the way. Always. And he was the true definition of a provider. Baba was the true definition of a provider. He was a man of stature. He was a man with presence. He was a respectable man. He was an honorable man. And I am proud to have had the opportunity to experience him as my father. In as much as no one is perfect, my father was very grateful to perfection. And for that I will forever be grateful. Mom, kisses. Mom was kissing with you. Thank you.
Ngilana ngijabela ngithuliwe ngithunywe nguma nkosazana uMaphenya ngizofunda ngendlela abhalela khona uthi Mnguni wami we had 31 truly joyful years of the deepest love, happiest marriage and truest partnership that I could imagine. You gave me the experience of being deeply understood, truly supported, completely and utterly loved, and I will carry that with me always. Life is somehow unfair. My mind still talks to you, and my heart still looks for you. Darling, I wish I could trade the world to see you again every day. As long as I live, you will always be the love of my life. Death is part of life that leaves people with memories. You were the light of my life. Your love still shines bright. The moments we shared comfort me every day. In my grief, my tears give testimony to the love we had. Your death left a gaping hole in my life that I fill with the love we shared. You were more than a husband. You were my best friend, my soulmate indeed. I never wanted to be without you, but your love comforts me, Mnguni. You left this world, but not my heart. Sweetheart, someday my soul will find yours. I will cherish you forever. I shall never stop loving you, my king. Ecclesiastes chapter 4, verse 9 to 11. They are better than one. Two are better than one, because they have a good return for labor. If either of them falls down, one can help the other up. Lala ngokuthula, Mnguni. Lala ngokuthula, mina Mhlekwa. Ngiyathokoza.